flexible portable tracing board. Oh, this is so cool. Just take the cursor and digitize a pattern and then save a DXF file on my computer for any CNC machine. Now there is a couple of limitations. I can only trace paper patterns or cardboard patterns. If I want to trace anything else, I need to use a hardboard digitizer. And I can only use the 16-button cursor. I can't use the pen stylus. But with the cursor and a paper pattern, I can trace around a part or a pattern using lines, arcs, circles, and curves, and then save a great DXF file for loading into any CNC machine. Oh, that looks great. Let's do that circle. And the best thing is it comes with its own carrying tube.